What is up, guys? And so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom dashboard in Airtable. So first, head over to the Airtable's website and then log in with your ID. And after that, when you have been redirected to the homepage of Airtable, from here on the left side at the bottom, you will see the button to create. Click on this create button and then click on build app on your own. And when you have selected Build App on your own, a custom editor will open in front of you where you can name your own untitled base to a title, and you can select the color that you want. And after that, you can also choose the icon that you want. Let's say I want this one. And when I am done, I will just simply close this field and then this will be automatically saved. And from here, now on the right side, you need to click on interfaces at the top. And when you click on interfaces, a new window will appear. From here, you need to click on build it yourself and build an interface. So to build an interface, you need to click on build an interface and then you need to choose a use case, power it with data, customize and share. Click on next, and after that you can give an icon to your interface, and when you have given it, click on next again, and from here you can choose a layout like list, gallery, Kanban, calendar, timeline, form, whatever you would like, you can choose it. And let's say I like the dashboard design. I will click on dashboard and then I will click on next, and after that this will appear to me in the dashboard design. And when I am uh, convinced that I like this design, I'll just simply click on finish. And when I click on finish, here I have created my custom dashboard. And then from here, you can edit and enter the information according to your wish and requirements. And this is how you can create a custom dashboard on Airtable. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.